Today I want to show you something that has helped me so much with my grandpa. This is a stand assist belt. And what this does is it goes right behind his back, and then I just pull and lift him up. This belt has an extra strap right here, and that's to wrap around their chest. So once you put this behind their back, you're going to wrap that around and then pull them up. Let me give you a quick demo. This has got really nice soft cushioning. There you go. Thank you. This belt is fully adjustable. And all he needs is just a little bit of help to get to his crutch, okay? So that's really what I need it for, is to get him out of the chair. You see you've got these different color straps. They're color-coded, so if you use one of those, then you've got even leverage on both sides. So I'm going to go ahead and do the yellow here. And then very easy. Grab your crutch. Oh. Let me unhook you. Good job. Got it? Got it?
Yep, I got her.
But that's it. Stand assist belt, very nice cushioning, keeps his skin safe.
Yeah.
We love it.